In this lesson, we explore business scenarios where the Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Operations case management feature could be used to help an organization. Let's consider the scenario of how case management might be used in a private sector environment. Lisa, a customer service representative at Contoso, receives a telephone call from Lionel, a Contoso customer. Lionel has trouble setting the correct volume level on the new sound system that Contoso just installed in Lionel's music store. Lisa creates a case for Lionel and assigns the category volume to the case. Because Lisa knows that it is important for Lionel to have music in his store, she elevates the priority and assigns a one-day service level agreement, or SLA, to the case. She also enters the case details in the case log. Lisa notices that there are several knowledge articles that are associated with the volume category, and that 3 of them are marked as helpful in resolving cases. Lisa opens each article and discusses the resolution steps with Lionel, but none of the solutions resolve the problem that Lionel is encountering with his new sound system. Lisa tells Lionel that within 24 hours, an audio technician will call him and will work with him to resolve the problem. Lisa starts the case, and a set of activities is created. She assigns the activities to Terrence, a member of the audio engineering team. Terrence sees that the new activities are assigned to him. He opens the case and reads the case log to learn more about the case. Terrence encountered the same issue the day before, and he developed a solution. Terrence contacts Lionel and offers a solution for the issue. Terrence also enters the solution in the case details. His solution is successful, and he decides to document the solution for other people to use if they encounter the same problem. Terrence adds the document to the knowledge article form, assigns the document to the volume category, and manually elevates the ranking so that other Contoso employees will know that this is a successful solution. Now Terrence elevates the case to the next level. Elevating the case creates a new activity for Marie, who is a quality assurance representative in the customer service department. Marie sees that a new activity is assigned to her, and she opens the case that is associated with the activity. Marie reviews the case and the case details to make sure that the process was followed correctly for the case. She verifies that the actual case time did not exceed the time frame that was estimated in the SLA. She notes that Terrence contacted the customer and that the issue was resolved. Marie is satisfied with the treatment of the customer and the results of the case. She resolves the case as closed. When Marie closes the case, the open activity that is assigned to her is also closed. Now, let's explore the scenario of how case management might be used in a public sector environment. Annie, a customer service representative with City Power and Light, receives a telephone call from a resident of the city that is served by City Power and Light. Annie records the call as an activity and takes notes of the conversation. The resident tells Annie that his house has no power. Annie informs the resident that City Power and Light will investigate, locate, and resolve the problem as quickly as possible. She then creates a case, associates the telephone call with the case, and creates a service order. Annie knows that it is likely that other residents will call to report a power outage. To avoid overwhelming the customer service center and to save time, Annie sends a group instant message to inform the other representatives about the issue and to tell them that a case and service order were created. She includes the case number and service order number in her instant message. If City Power and Light receives more telephone calls about the power outage, the customer service representatives can create an activity for each telephone call and assign them to the existing case. Finally, let's explore scenarios of how a human resource generalist can use case management when they address issues for employees. Luke, the Human Resources Generalist for the United States Division of Contoso, receives an email message from Shannon, a Contoso employee. Shannon is a machine operator who was injured on the job 6 months ago. She has been working with Humongous Insurance since the accident to have her medical expenses paid. Shannon contacted Luke about this issue 4 weeks ago. Therefore, a case has already been created. Shannon's email message explains that Humongous Insurance is still not returning her telephone calls. Luke opens the existing case, adds Shannon's email message as a document, and reviews the case log. When Luke created this case, he assigned it to the case category Insurance. He sees that there is a new knowledge article that is associated with the insurance category. Luke reads the knowledge article and learns that Humongous Insurance's telephone system is being updated and that all telephones are down. The article states that an email message was sent to all insurance customers, but that several customers did not receive the message because of a problem with the insurance company's email system. All customers who have active insurance claims are being asked to send their inquiries by paper mail to Humongous Insurance. Luke sends Shannon an email that explains what she must do to have her insurance claim settled. He also ranks the knowledge article that he read as a helpful piece of information. Luke creates another activity for himself to follow up with both Shannon and Humongous Insurance in 4 weeks to make sure that the claim is resolved. After 4 weeks have passed, Luke checks in with Shannon and learns that Humongous Insurance has paid her claims and that she is happy with the resolution. Luke changes the status of the case to closed.